welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys saw in the description, we will be unboxing my January 2020 BoxyCharm. I'm super excited. It finally got here. I'm so excited to show you guys everything I got. I actually did use the products in the box already because I wanted this to be more of a quicker video. I will show you guys what I used to get this look. But first things first, let's start out. I'm sure you guys saw in the description and in the thumbnail picture that I said BoxyCharm messed up. Well, I just wanted to let you guys know that that wasn't clickbait or anything. I do have some real tea from BoxyCharm, or about BoxyCharm, I should say. So maybe like 3 days before I received my shipping email, I got an email from BoxyCharm telling me that they messed up a product in my box. So as most of you know, BoxyCharm for the first month, January 2020, sent us complexion products, and I for one was super excited about that. I love foundation and concealer and other stuff of that nature. I use them every day, and they told me they sent me the wrong color. Now everyone, most of everyone got the Pretty Vulgar concealer, and I've honestly heard a lot of good things about that company, but I haven't actually tried them yet. So I was so excited to try their concealer, so I was really upset that they sent me the wrong shade. I'm not quite sure how it happened. They didn't tell me. I mean, I typically am the lightest shade. I did send them the little complexion test thing. I did my results like super fast. I did everything I was supposed to do to ensure that I got the right shade, but I actually did not. They actually sent me like the darkest shade, but BoxyCharm did say that they are going to send me the correct shade, and I should be hearing correspondence back from them. I will say that I have not heard back from them yet, and it's been about a week now, week and a half, maybe even 2 actually, since I've heard from them about the mistakes. So I was really upset about that. I honestly have been a BoxyCharm subscriber for over a year now, and this is the second time I've had issues with them. The first time I received a broken product, and they did go right for it. I will have to say their customer service is really good. They definitely made it right for what had happened, and you know, I didn't get the product back, which I really wanted, but they did give me charm points, so I was able to buy stuff in the charm store. Anyway, tea aside, let's get to the box. Okay, so when you open your box, the first thing you usually see on top, excuse me, is the little card. This card tells you all the products that you got and how much they're worth and all of that. So let's get started. So the first thing that was right on top of my box, and I'm going to put it down now, guys, and just kind of show you everything. The first product that caught my eye was the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk palette. Here I go. I thought I was going to do really good throughout this video and not stumble on my words, but I am not in that place yet. But anyway, this is the packaging. It's so cute. I got the Scarlet Dusk one. Honestly, they gave you a choice between, I mean, I don't know if everyone's choices are the same, but they gave you a choice between this one and a Vintage Dawn palette. I honestly kind of regret it. Now that I'm seeing the Vintage Dawn palette, I do not have a yellow eyeshadow, and that one has yellow, and I really should have picked that. But this is it. So it's got the same vibe as the unicorn it comes in. So first, let me tell you really quick about it. Says this eyeshadow palette features 12 colors that are reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises and sunsets witnessed in various locations around the world. Each color has a carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. And this retails for $34.99. So already the BoxyCharm base box, which is the one I got, I'm sorry I should have told you guys that sooner, but I have the base box. I have been thinking about upgrading, but for now I have the base, and the base is $25, $27 after tax. It's $27, I think, like altogether. So already this overpays for the palette, but you know, without further ado, let's take a look at it. So this is the palette, the 12 shades. They are so nice. Honestly, I super love it. I did use it on my eyes, so I'll lean in a little closer. I do feel, you know, sunset vibes. I do really love it. So on my eyeshadow, I started with Sunset Rose in my crease. I also then went in with shade on the outer and inner because I kind of wanted to create like a halo look, which I did today. And then for the like shimmery part on top of the lid, I used hibiscus, which is all of this right here. And then I used the really, really bright crimson underneath to kind of give like a little pop. I also used Aruba in the inner corner. And then I actually highlighted with this shade Maui, and because I wanted to try to do like a full face of the products that I got from them, and I didn't get a highlighter, which I was super upset about. I really wanted to get that Too Faced highlighter I've seen a lot of people get. But yeah, I absolutely love it. I have to say it really all blended really well. They're very pigmented and vibrant, as you can see, and honestly I love it, and I'm really looking forward to doing other looks with it. Okay, so moving on, let's get that put away. So the next thing that I noticed in there was this, and this is the Wander Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo, which I saw this going around because I did watch a lot of unboxing videos, and I was like, oh, I hope I get that. I really wanted to get it, and I did get it, so I'm really excited. I'm pretty sure I got the lighter of the two, and that's what it looks like. It is so cute. So at first I was really unsure of this shade because it's so light. I was like, I'm not really sure how that's gonna bronze my face so much. So I was like, I don't know. But the shade names, Bellini and Costa Ray, which they're so cute. So this retails for $36. So again, you're already way over the money. And I did use this to bronze and blush my face, and I gotta tell you, they blended really nice. Super soft, super cute. Love that. I will be using that a lot more. So the next thing that I got in my box is this. Sorry guys, I'll let it do that. This is a sleeping mask by Avant. It is an 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask, and this I have tried for 2 nights now. I have really sensitive skin, so sometimes I am scared of these type of skincare products, but I gotta tell you, I really liked it. It was really soft on my face. It made my face feel so soft and glowy, and like, not glowy, I used the wrong word, but just, it just felt so nice. I love getting skincare in my box. I do have mine set up as like getting one skincare product and the rest makeup because that is what I prefer, but honestly, all the skincare that Boxy has sent me has really helped. Like, I just love it, and it hasn't made me break out or anything. I've used it for 2 nights now, and this is worth, are you ready for it, $107. Like, honestly, I love paying for product, like a little more for products that I know that work, and then they're worth it, but I would not buy this. Like, I would not regularly buy this. So like, one of the greatest benefits of having BoxyCharm is being able to try out these products, and if you fall in love with something, you know, maybe it'll be more worth buying in the future, you know. And this was, like I said, worth $107, and it says, the 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask works to reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It also helps tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Thank you, BoxyCharm, because we all know that I need to do that. Okay, so moving on, nextly I got this Mana Kadar, and if I'm not saying it right, please let me know. I do have another product from them. I actually have this mascara I got from them in a BoxyCharm, which it was okay, I didn't really mind it, but this is the lipstick that I am wearing right now. I will show you guys really quick. It is a matte liquid lipstick. Super cute. I really like it. This is what I have on my lips right now. And so let's see, this is a Mana Kadar Beauty Lip Whip, a matte lip color that is whipped to perfection, easy to apply and formulated with long-lasting pigments that don't dry out your lips. Retail price $21. So awesome. So lastly, the dreaded mess up of BoxyCharm. Here is my Pretty Vulgar concealer in the shade Shady Lady, which, hey, I'm not saying I'm not a shady lady, but hey, this is not my color. So, something I've thought about. If BoxyCharm doesn't ask for this back, sometimes I know they've said send this back. I'm not sure that they're going to, but I am thinking about using this to maybe contour so that it's not a complete total loss. For sure, for now, I'm not going to use it, but I will say I've watched a few other BoxyCharm unboxings and people trying their concealer, and a friend of mine that is trying her Pretty Vulgar concealer and she loves it. So, you know, that just kind of added to my frustration with BoxyCharm, but I really do hope that they make it right. I will let you guys know in next month's unboxing what happened with the dreaded Pretty Vulgar. I don't, you know, honestly, obviously there you go, guys. I will grab that after. But I watched a lot of unboxings because, you know, I always like to see what other people get in their box, and, you know, mine was completely, like, I feel like different. I had not seen this in anyone's box. I seen other people with mascaras and sprays, and honestly I was praying for a spray or mascara because I love mascara, but I did not see anyone else complain of there being an issue with the complexion that they got. And because it was their first month of getting it, you know, I was so excited to get it that I was like, man. But so for next month, every month lately, BoxyCharm for the last few months have just started giving you a choice. So, like, I don't know if it's a set amount every month. Like, one month there I had choice between one thing or another thing, and this month it was like 4 different things I got to choose from. So it was like skincare, something else, and then a Becca foundation. So I did choose the Becca foundation. I know what my shade is in that. I'm really excited to try that, and I really hope that BoxyCharm gets it right this time. So pray for me, guys. I really want that Becca foundation, and I do hope they send me the Pretty Vulgar concealer. I was super eager to try it. But anyway, guys, so yeah, that is it for my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me and enjoyed seeing what I got from BoxyCharm this month. I absolutely love them. It is a great company. You get 5 products for $27 a month. Granted, they have different levels. They have a premium box that I think is $35, or they have the Boxy Luxe, which I'm not exactly sure how much that one is. I am thinking about upgrading to the premium. But if any of you guys want to sign up and haven't yet, I will put a link down below to sign up for BoxyCharm. And yeah, if you guys want to see me do another look with that eyeshadow palette, let me know. I would love to do another look with that. I'm thinking about putting a video out of like maybe some more less vibrant colors of that palette. Yeah, but I guess that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.